Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb ya'amal to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. فعل مضارع present tense. فعل مضارع present continuous tense. فعل مضارع, this is a form of verb in Arabic that we can use to talk about something happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to work, going to school, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called فعل مضارع. The question is, how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit the pronouns below? Ya'amal simply means he works or he is working. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb ya'amal to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach hamza. The verb ya'amal will now become a'amal, which means I work or I am working. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. The verb ya'amal will now become na'amal, which means we work or we are working. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. The verb ya'amal will now become ta'amal, which means you work or you are working. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un and nunun carrying fataha to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra. So the verb ya'amal will now become ta'amalina. Ta'amalina, which means you work or you are working. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Khamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb ya'amal to suit here? All you need to do is to replace ya'un with ta'un. So the verb ya'amal will now become ta'amal, which means she works or she is working. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and ya'un to talk about a single male person. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. ماذا تعمل علي? ماذا تعمل يعمل علي عفوا. ماذا يعمل علي? So what does Ali do for a living? ماذا يعمل علي? What does Ali do for a living? What kind of occupation does he do? What kind of job does he do? Now the answer. يعمل علي محاضرا. يعمل علي محاضرا. Ali works as a lecturer. Ithnan, number two. ماذا تعمل مريم? ماذا تعمل مريم? What does Maryam do for a living? Now the answer. تعمل مريم ممرضة. تعمل مريم ممرضة. تعمل مريم ممرضة. So Maryam works as a nurse. تعمل مريم ممرضة. Maryam works as a nurse. ثلاثة, number three. ماذا تعمل يا زيد؟ ماذا تعمل? What do you do for a living? يا زيد زيد. Now the answer. أعمل طيارا. أعمل طيارا. I work as a pilot. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أربعة, number four. ماذا تعملين يا زينب؟ ماذا تعملين يا زينب? ماذا تعملين? So what do you do for a living? يا زينب. Zainab. Now the answer. أعمل خياطة. أعمل خياطة. So I work as a fashion designer. 5. Number 5. ماذا تعمل يا قاسم? ماذا تعمل? What do you do for a living? يا قاسم. قاسم. Now the answer. أعمل مزارعا. أعمل مزارعا. So I work as a farmer. 6. Number 6. ماذا تعملين يا مريم? ماذا تعملين? So what do you do for a living? يا مريم. مريم. Now the answer. أعمل صحافية. أعمل صحافية. I work as a journalist. صحافي male journalist. صحافية female journalist. صحافي male journalist. صحافية female journalist. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. أدرس learn ولاحظ and observe at the same time. أدرس study ولاحظ and observe at the same time. موجب positive. نفي negative. موجب positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that shows that something has taken place. Nafi is the opposite, being the state of a sentence in Arabic that shows that something has not taken place. For instance, Wahid number 1. Ya'amal, he works or he is working. La ya'amal, he doesn't work or he is not working. Ithnan number 2. Ta'amal, she works or she is working. La ta'amal, she doesn't work or she is not working. Thalatha number 3. A'amal, I work or I am working. La a'amal, I don't work or I am not working. Arba'a number 4. Na'amal, we work or we are working. La na'amal, we don't work or we are not working. Hamsa number 5. Ta'amaluna, you all work. Talking to a group of male persons. Ta'amaluna, you all work or you are all working. La ta'amaluna, you don't work or you are not working. Sitta number 6. Ta'amalna, you all work. Talking to a group of female persons. Ta'amalna, you all work or you are all working. La ta'amalna. La ta'amalna, you don't work or you are not working. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Udrus, learn, ولاحظ and observe at the same time. Udrus, study, ولاحظ and observe at the same time. Now I'm talking about the part of the past tense in Arabic. Mujab, positive. Nafiyun, negative. Wahid number 1. Amila, he worked or he has worked. Ma amila, he didn't work or he has not worked. Ithnan number 2. Amilat, she worked or she has worked. Ma amilat, she doesn't work or she didn't work or she has not worked. Thalatha number 3. Amiltu, I worked or I have worked. Ma amiltu, I didn't work or I have not worked. Arba number 4. Amilna, amilna, we worked or we have worked. Ma amilna, we didn't work or we have not worked. Hamsa number 5. Amiltum, you all worked or you have all worked. Ma amiltum, you didn't work or you have not worked. Sitta number 6. Amiltunna, amiltunna, you all worked. Talking to a group of female persons. Talking to a group of female persons. Amiltunna, you all worked or you have all worked. Ma amiltunna, ma amiltunna, you didn't work or you have not worked. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now talking about the comparison between Madin past tense and Mudari'un present tense. Fi'ilun Madin past tense and Fi'ilun Mudari present tense. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Amila, he worked. يعمل, he works or he is working. Once again, عمل, he worked or he has worked. يعمل, he is working or he works. اثنان, number 2. Here, she. عملت, she worked or she has worked. تعمل, she works or she is working. ثلاثة, number 3. أنا, I. عملت, I worked or I have worked. أعمل, I work or I am working. فأربعة, number 4. نحن, we. عملنا, عملنا, we worked or we have worked. نعمل, we work or we are working. ستة, number 6. أنت, you, talking to a single female person. عفوا. خمسة, number 5. أنت, you, talking to a single male person. عملت, you worked or you have worked. تعمل, you work or you are working. ستة, number 6. أنت, you, representing a single female person. عملت, you worked or you have worked. تعملين, تعملين, you work or you are working. سبعة, number 7. أنتم, all of you, talking to a group of male persons. عملتم, you all worked or you have all worked. تعملون, تعملون, you all work or you are all working. ثمانية, number 8. أنتن, all of you, talking to a group of female persons. عملتن, عملتن, you all worked or you have all worked. تعملنا, تعملنا, so you all work or you are all working. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand the logic. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson watching a single video clip and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.